Hey everyone! I'm going to show you how to do your transcription homework for your speaking tests. Okay, so it's very easy. We're going to share this folder with you on Google Drive, and you'll be able to see speaking test template, transcription template, and your score template. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to right click and make a copy. And when you make a copy, you're going to rename the copy. Okay? You're going to rename this copy. So you can open it, and right here, you can change the name. So you just click here, and you're going to change the name to this. Your student number, family name, first name, middle name, team name. Okay, very easy. So your student number, here's some number. That's your student number. Space, dash, space, and your family name. And comma, space, and your first name dash middle name. First name dash middle name. Then space, dash, space, and your team name. Avengers. Oh, all capitals. Avengers. Okay, that's step one. And then you're going to do the same thing here. You're going to write the same information here. Student number, family name, first name, middle name, and your team name. All right here. So this looks just like this. Okay? Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is the same thing with the score template. So you're going to right click on it and you're going to make a copy. Okay. Then you're going to open up the copy and you're going to do the same thing. You can even just copy and paste your title here. Oh, can I copy and paste it? Sorry, my computer's running a bit slow. So you can even copy and paste it right here. And I've got the same name. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing right here at the top. Okay, that's step number one. Step number two is go to your test template here. Okay, and I'm going to listen to my recording and I'm going to write down everything that I said in my recording. I'm going to write down everything that I said in my recording. Okay? Okay, so I listened to my recording and I wrote down everything that I said. Now comes the easy part. All I have to do is highlight everything that I said, and I go to Tools, and I go to Word Count. And it's going to tell me how many words did I say. Oh, 101. 101 words. Okay, so I'm going to type 101 right here. I spoke 101 words. Okay, and how many times did I speak? I spoke 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. I spoke 9 times, so I'm going to write that here. I spoke 9 times. Okay? Now I'm just going to divide. How many words did I say by 9 times? And that's going to give me my words per utterance. Alright. So there's my words per utterance, 11.2. Oh, that looks terrible. So all I'm going to do is highlight it and press this little T with the slash through it, and there it is, back to normal. Okay, 101 words divided by 9 times, 11.22 words every time I spoke. That's my average. Okay, now what do I do here? Okay, what you do is you go to this website here, www.lextutor.ca. Okay? lextutor.ca, there's the website. Type that in. Okay? And then you go down here to vocab profile. Vocab profile, and click on that. Okay? And then you go over here to VP Classic. VP Classic, and click on that. Alright, now you have a big box right here. In this big box, you're going to delete all of these words, and you're going to put in, you're going to put in everything that you said. Okay, so, I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste it right there. Everything that I said. Okay? And then I'm going to hit this yellow button here, Submit Window. Okay? And I've got some numbers. This blue number is how many words did I say from the word list that we studied. How many words did I say from the word list? So 83.33%. That's what I'm going to put in here. Okay? So from the 1,000 words, I got 83.33%. Okay? And then how many words from the academic word list? Well, it's right here in yellow. How many words from the academic word list? Oh no, 0. Okay, so I'm going to put that here, 0%. All right? Now, all you have to do is write these same numbers on the other file that you made. Okay? So remember, you made this file with your name, and you wrote your name and all that stuff here. So this is conversation test number 1. I'm going to write how many times did I speak. I spoke 9 times. Oops, not 99, just 9. And how many average words? How many average words did I say? It was 11.22. Okay? And total words that I spoke was 101. And that's it. That's all I have to do. I'm going to do the same thing every time I do a conversation test. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And at the end, we'll see how much did we improve. All right? Pretty easy stuff. Not too difficult. If you have any problems, you can ask your teacher, and we are always happy to help you. All right, good luck with your transcriptions. Bye-bye.